One of the most interesting philosophical movements in recent years is minimalism. However, what are its benefits and how does it affect our lives? In this video, we will take a deeper dive into this fascinating topic. What is minimalism? Minimalism is a philosophy that encourages living with less. Minimalists believe that by reducing the amount of stuff in their lives, they can focus more on what's important and enjoy their experiences more. In practice, minimalism often involves cutting back on possessions, simplifying one's environment, and focusing on quality over quantity. What are the benefits of minimalism? There are many benefits to embracing minimalism, including minimalism can help you declutter your life and free up space to focus on what's important. It can help you live a more meaningful life by reducing the number of superficial distractions in your environment. Minimalism can help you reduce stress levels by freeing up space in your schedule for more enjoyable activities. Benefits of minimalism. Minimalism is a philosophy that encourages individuals to live with fewer possessions. Minimalism isn't just about owning less. It's about living with less. There are many benefits to minimalism, and here are 4 of the most important. 1. Less clutter means more space. Clutter creates stress and, in turn, increases anxiety and depression symptoms. Minimalists know that reducing clutter can also lead to a sense of freedom and calm. 2. Minimalism encourages you to be more mindful. When you have less stuff, you're forced to be more aware of what you have and its use. This can lead to increased productivity and creativity. 3. Minimalism leads to fiscal efficiency. The less stuff you have, the less money you need to spend on possessions and utilities. This can help you save money and build wealth over time. 4. Minimalism is good for your mental health. According to some studies, living with fewer possessions can improve your mental health overall. One study found that people who lived in minimalist homes reported lower anxiety and stress levels than those who lived in homes with more clutter. Pros and cons of minimalism. Minimalism is a philosophy that encourages people to live in a simple, clutter-free environment. There are pros and cons to living a minimalist lifestyle, but the most significant benefit is that it can help you declutter your mind and reduce stress. The biggest con of minimalism is that it can be difficult to stick to. If you don't have enough furniture or accessories, you may feel deprived and frustrated. You also need to be careful not to become too minimalist because you'll live in a barren environment with no personality. Overall, minimalism is an exciting way to live and can help you simplify your life and reduce stress. However, it's not for everyone, so consider the pros and cons before making the switch. Techniques in minimalism. When it comes to minimalism, many people think about how to live a simpler life. But what does that mean for their home? Here are 4 techniques for living in a minimalist home that can help you declutter and organize your space without feeling overwhelmed or stressed. 1. Start with the oversized items. If you have large items that you don't use daily, try to sell them or give them away. This will help you eliminate unnecessary clutter and make more room in your home. 2. Clear out the cupboards and drawers. If there is anything in your cabinets or drawers that you rarely use, get rid of it. This will help you declutter your kitchen and bathroom cabinets and your bedroom closet. 3. Sort through your belongings. Once you've cleared out your cabinets and drawers, take everything out and put it into piles based on what you often use. This will help you declutter your home quickly and easily. 4. Get rid of excess furniture. If there is furniture in your home that you no longer need, go ahead and get rid of it. This will free up space in your home. In conclusion, minimalism is a trend growing in popularity recently, and for a good reason. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, you can declutter your life and live with less stress. Plus, by focusing on the things that are truly important to you, minimalism can help you achieve bigger goals than any single item in your possession.